Understanding dreams. Skibidi dreams are the ultimate goonfest happening in the toilet of your mind during REM. Low-key. They might be your brain's way of processing memories and emotions, sorting through the chaos like a sigma in a sea of dank thoughts. Some say they help solve problems, while others think they are just random brain activity, like a ship sailing through a dreamscape of nonsense. Each dream can last from 5 to 20 minutes, giving you a brief edge into the complexities of your psyche. Even if we do not fully understand them, dreams remain a wild ride worth exploring.